Hey everybody, I just had a question come up on my two-color vinyl video, and we use the same graphic here, but it was about printing or cutting both colors and what happens if you want to try to get both colors to come up in your dialog box for cutting. So one situation that I think somebody might run into is if you only select one color. In this case it's red. It does have baseball and mom here. Then if you go up to your cut dialog, see the baseball and mom is all that shows up. When you go over here to this third tab with the cutter, you got your different color options here, and that's where you would normally be able to select between your different cut colors. But since we've only got the red selected, we only have the red as an option. The weed lines are just a option that I choose as far as being able to cut, which creates this frame around the baseball mom. So we'll back out of this and select the whole thing. So now we've got the red and the black selected, and then if we go into the cut plot dialog and go to the third tab here for the cutter, not the cutter with the plus, that's just extra cut options that I don't normally ever use. But here down on the colors, we've got the red, you can see the baseball mom, and if we click on the black, and we've got the background. So that's the difference between if you want to only try to have one color show up in your cut plot dialog, or if you want to do both colors. I typically only use or try to cut one color at a time. It's just easier for me to keep track of instead of accidentally clicking on both colors or something like that and ending up with extra material wasted. And so that's what I do. So but you can do both colors here if that's your choice. It's just not what I do. But if you do have everything selected, you will get a list of multiple colors that you can go in and choose from when you get ready to cut. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop them below in the comments. And I'm not real active in this type of work much lately, so that's why there hasn't been a new video out in probably over a year, but still here, still answering questions and responding to comments. So if you have anything that you'd like to see done specifically, or just have questions or whatever, I'll answer them. If it's something that might require a video to be of more help, then I'll be happy to make one. I'm still pretty I remember quite a bit about this software still, even though I don't use it very much anymore, but I'll be willing to help wherever I can. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments or anything, just drop them below and I'll get to them. It might take me a few days, but I will definitely get back to you. Y'all take care. Thanks.